Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I love heavy-duty pocket door hardware equipped with soft open and close. These doors can save precious space between a master bedroom and bathroom. Check this out. Your significant other who's still sound asleep will really appreciate a pocket door equipped with soft close Johnson hardware. Believe me, I know. Be sure to visit the Johnson Hardware website or my AskTheBuilder.com website for more details. The links to both are in the video description. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.